Yawning is actually a fascinating and healthy bodily function. Did you know it helps cool your brain? When you yawn, blood flow increases, which helps regulate your brain temperature. This little act can also boost your alertness. Ever notice how a big yawn can snap you out of that sleepy haze? It's like a natural reset button for your focus. Plus, yawning stretches your jaw and facial muscles, relieving tension. And here's something interesting: yawning is contagious. It helps synchronize social behavior, making us feel more connected to those around us. So, the next time you yawn, remember, it's not just a sign of boredom. It's your body's way of keeping you sharp and in tune with others.